Hey everyone, in this video I will show how to make a contact form in 2022. Okay, so let's begin with the video. So first of all, let us write some HTML and then we will begin with our CSS. Okay, so here I will create a div tag, and inside this div tag I will create a p tag and I will write contact. Okay, contact. Then I will create an input tag, okay, and the type will be text here, and I will also write a placeholder, and here I will write your name, and I will copy it down, and I will do the same thing for email. Okay, and in this type also I will write email. Alright, and then I will create a text area tab. Okay, this tag is because a user can write you a message. Okay, and no need to give it an ID. Alright, and here also I will write a placeholder, and I will write a message. Write a message, and at last I will create a button. Okay, a submit button. Alright, submit, just like that. And one more thing, add br tags in between the input and text area. Okay, just like that. And let's see our contact form. Okay, and as you can see here it is our contact form. So let's modify it. Okay, alright, so let's create a style tag here, and first of all I will set margin and padding for all equal to 0. Okay, now we will begin. First of all I will target div, and I will say margin top, let's say 10 VH. Okay, then I will say display grid and place items center. Okay, and as you can see here all the items are now in center. So let's do some more styling. I will target our input tags, and let's increase the width. So first of all let's say width will be 30 VH, not VH, 30 VW. Okay, yes, I think this is looking great. Then I will also add padding here. From y-axis I will add 5 pixel, and from x-axis I will add 10. Alright, and I will do the same thing for our text area, just like that. And as you can see here it is looking pretty good. Okay, now let's do some styling for our button. Alright, so first of all the same thing here, I will copy it down, and instead of 30 the width I will give it 15, half of this. Okay, so as you can see here it is looking pretty good. Alright, okay, so one more thing, let's do the cursor pointer, and let's change the background color here. Let's change the background color as something blue. Okay, not this dark blue, let's say, think this one will be fine. And I will do border none. Okay, just like that, and color also white, so that we can see that submit button. And also I will do font size here. Font size, let's do 1.2 rem, and I think yes, it is looking good. Okay, Alright, so now let's style our p tag. Let's do it here. P tag. Let's first of all change the font size. Let's say 3 rem. Alright. Yes, let's add some margin to the bottom. Okay. Yes, and now let's do some positioning. I will add position relative, and I will shift the contact to left. Okay, so I will say left minus let's say 150 pixel. It is too much, let's say 140, and yes, I think this is looking great. Okay, and now let's change the color of it. Okay, let's do some dark blue here also. Yes, I think this is looking great. And one more thing, let's add some font weight. Okay, let's do 900. Yes, now it is looking great. Okay, and we are not finished here. Okay, so let's do a final work. Oops. Okay, so come here in the input tag. Okay, in the input tag, and set border transparent. Okay, you have to first set the border transparent, and you will say this is looking awful. Okay, so let's wait, and then I will define border bottom. Okay, we will only add the border for the bottom one. Okay, so let's say solid 2 pixel solid red, and as you can see here, it is looking pretty good. Okay, let's change the color. That is not looking good. Let's do this blue, dark blue here. Alright, same thing for the text area also. Okay, and I will say for the text area you don't need to write border transparent. Okay, and yep, just like that. And yes, as you can see here, this is our modern contact form. Okay, one more thing I want to change here. I want to change the height of this text area, so I will do rows 20. Okay, okay, this is too much. Let's do 15. Yes, so this is looking great. Okay, all right, so this is the way you can create a modern contact form in 2022. I hope you like this video, and that's it for this video, guys. I will see you in the next one.